All right, what's going on, everybody? Today is August 17th, 2018, and we are looking at USDCAD. And I see a major swing that's possible to happen when it comes to USDCAD. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the higher time frame, and what I would definitely suggest, subscribe so that you can be able to get all of my chart breakdowns, and click on the alerts button so that you can be able to be the first one to actually receive them, so that you can be able to actually get into these trades as well. So let's go to the higher time frame, like the week. I always start out with the higher time frame because I can be able to see what the chart's been, what the market's been doing, all the way backed up, right? Now, it's not really going to be my main analysis, but I just look at it to see what price has been doing. So on the weekly time frame, we see a level of resistance that was formed on this trend line right here, where price was bouncing off of it over and over, and then price decided to actually break through it, and then from there created it into a support level, right? And I believe it's going to continue on its way up. So let's go to the daily, right? So what do we see here? We saw that price had a big push up, right? And then from there consolidated for a while, push down, right? Big push up, and then from there, let's see where it went. Point A, point B, about 61.8, and then from there started to push up again. Just wanted to know what that was, right? And this push was the same as this push, was the same as this push, and I believe it's going to be the same push right here that we'll see into the future, okay? Now, this push right here, I see price will actually get, will push through that trend line and get to this level of support, a level of resistance that was formed on the weekly time frame, which was the last high right here. I doubt it'll, I really don't know if it's going to push through there or not. That's not up to me right now, but what I see right now is the fact that I see price going to push up. It may bounce off of this trend line right here, same way that this one did, same way that this one did, but it already bounced off that trend line. All right, and I'm almost pretty sure it's going to continue on its way up. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the H4, and what do we see? We see a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Just a regular high. Price got to this area, double top from there, push down, and from there, what we see on the lower time frame, from point A, point B, right? Point C on our fibs, price got to 100%, right? And literally stopped in its tracks, all right? Point A, point B. And I got into this as just a confident. I was already in this trade from a while ago, so I'm already up, a good amount. I saw price going up a long time ago. So I just want to get into a re-entry because I saw price literally stop it in its tracks right there. Now, price may push down, right, to that trend line, which I'm almost certain it won't. But if it does, cool, I'll just do my buy there, right? But I personally just got in right now because it literally stopped right then and there. Let's go to the 15, right? We saw price literally stop right there. Okay, now if I was to draw like a supply and demand zone for that area, right? If price breaks through that supply and demand zone, closes past it, let's say on the 30-minute, not really on the 15, but on the 30-minute, then I'll kind of consider getting out. But I already have my stop loss placed right under that supply and demand zone because, like if it wicks that, whatever, it's only 10 pips from where price is to here to here. If anything, I may bring down my stop loss just a little further because I saw in the past price did something like that, right? As we can see right here, price got to some area and then from there pushed up and then went back to that area and then pushed a little further down and then continued on its way. And I really don't like it when price wicks my stop loss and then it goes in the direction that I want it to go. So you can put your stop loss right here or just push it a little further down, probably to let's just say 1.300, right? And then from there, you know, continue. But if it breaks through your stop loss, then cool. Just wait till it hits that trend line, and then from there get into the buys. So my first take profit is going to be where the last high was, which I'm almost certain that's going to hit the take profit. So point A, point B, I see 113 pips for that. Next take profit, I have it at my extension, right? And the reason why I have it at that extension, so this is first take profit right here, right? 113 pips from here to here. Next take profit, I have at the negative 61.8 extension, which correlates with the last high over here. I'm not going to put it right at that level. I'm going to put it a little lower. So I have it at 1.325, which is about in this area right here, right? Actually 323, right? A little lower right here, okay? 324, sorry. And then from there, I have my last one at this high over here, at that high over here. Daily, I have it at this high over here, okay? Now, what's interesting is this correlates over here all the way through. If anything, I may move it just slightly lower. I'm just looking at this over here. I may move it slightly lower, right? But if anything, I see it, price getting at least to this area right here. If anything, I may put this just a little lower right here. But ultimately, I see price getting back to this trend line, and then from there getting to this level of resistance over here. Okay, so the last take profit I'll probably put at 334. All right, that's take profit number 3. All right, so hopefully this helps you out. What I would definitely suggest is to subscribe so that you can be able to get future videos. Also subscribe because I'm going to be giving away every single first of the month. I'm going to be giving away 5 spots into my one-on-one coaching, where you're going to be able to actually get me one-on-one for 1 full week. We're going to, you know, talk about charts together. We are going to, you guys are going to be able to actually send me your charts, send me the trades that you're personally doing. We can review them with you, and also with that, you're also going to get a free FX Pro Now shirt as well. It's going to look really, really cool. Also, like this video, comment this video if you have any questions on anything. We also have a website, fxpronow.com, that you can be able to actually see all of our videos, nice and neat, from beginners to advanced. And we have a Facebook that you can be able to get alerts anytime that we're doing a talk every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're doing session 1, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, session 2 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then Wednesdays, we're doing a complete chart breakdown on Wednesdays at 9 p.m. as well. So if anything, you have a bunch load of information that you can be able to get access to. And, you know, I'm really looking to be able to help you out. So this is FX Pro Now, and, you know, I'll see you in the next video.